warm good evening, my dear students of class 10. So, we have started the chapter acid, bases, and salts. So, let's continue the topic from this chapter. We are going to continue the topic. Please join as early as possible and share to your friends, my dear students. So, hi and welcome to my live session, Shri Gopal Kulkarni YouTube channel. Okay, students. So in today's session we are going to study about reaction of acid and bases with each other. When acid and base, when we combine, what happens? And the next thing is some strong acid, when weak acid, when we add, what happens? Okay, like this some things are there. And next, reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Metallic oxides, when they react with acids, what will form? So let's see in today's topic. So many things we are going to see. Within 30 minutes I am going to cover so much topic, and I will make you very easy. Okay, topic. Let's continue, students. See here, class 10 chemistry, acid, bases and salts. Already we have started the chapter. Okay. So the next main topic is reaction of acids and bases with each other. When acids and bases we mix, or if we combine, what happens? See, acid plus base, it is called as after reaction, result, product, salt and water will come, students. So this is also called as neutralization reaction. What do you mean by neutralization? When acid and base, when you combine, so it is called neutralization reaction. You have to remember, salt and water will form. What is neutralization reaction? When we add acid and base, salt and water will form. So this is called as neutralization reaction. Okay, fine. So this is very, very important. This formula you have to remember. Acid, base, when we combine, salt plus water will form. Some examples are there here. HCl. What is HCl? Hydrochloric acid. Acid it is. This acid and this is base, students. NaOH. HCl is acid. NaOH is base. Sodium hydroxide. So what happens, students? This Na is there. This will combine with chlorine. So it will form NaCl. Sodium chloride, and water will form, students. See, salt is NaCl, water base is NaOH, acid HCl. Is it clear? Few more examples we see, then we can understand. So what is H2SO4? Sulfuric acid, king of the acid. When it is combining with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So this Na is there, this will combine with SO4 and remaining water will form, students. So what will form? Na2SO4 will form, students. What is Na2SO4? Sodium sulfate. Yesterday in the last class I have told you, SO4 when they combine with any other, it will become sulfate. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Fix in your mind the formula, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. So what is Na2SO4, students? What is sodium sulfate? It is a salt and water will form. So you have to write balanced equation. Okay, then it is correct. Sulfuric acid, acid when you are combining with base, which base? NaOH, 2NaOH, sodium hydroxide. What will form? Na2SO4 will form, sodium sulfate and water will form. Okay, fine. Next, hydrochloric acid and base, we are changing a different base, not NaOH, this time CaOH2. What is CaOH2? Calcium hydroxide. It is a base. So when this base will react with acid, salt will form. Which salt will form, students? Ca will combine with chlorine, CaCl2 will form. Why CaCl2? Calcium chloride. Calcium is combining with chlorine, calcium chloride, CaCl2, plus what will form? Water will form. 2H2O, balanced equation. Is it clear, students? Very easy. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Fix in your mind. Third example, which acid we have taken? HCl we have taken. And which base? CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. So what will form? Which salt will form? CaCl2, calcium chloride, and water will form. Fine. Now, when we add strong acid and weak base, so what are strong acids? What are weak bases? Let us see here. See, first we are going to see this one, then it will become very easy for you people. Okay, some strong acids I have written on the board. HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. These all are very strong acids, students. Here in this, hydrogen ions are more in number. Okay, so these are the strong acids. Fix in your mind: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. HNO3, hydrogen nitrate or nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. These are very strong acids. Some weak acids examples are also there. CH3COOH. What is this CH3COOH? Acetic acid. For making vinegar, it is used, students. Acetic acid. CH3COOH. What is H2CO3? Carbonic acid, which is present in cool drinks. Some cool drinks are available. We will in that this carbonic acid is present. HCN. What is HCN? Hydrocyanic acid. What it is? Hydrocyanic acid. Which one? This one. HCN. Capital H, capital C, capital N. Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen are combined. Hydrocyanic acid. HCOOH. What is HCOOH, students? So this is formic acid. What is this? Formic acid. When ants will bite us, we get we feel pain. We feel something is like burning sensation because of formic acid. Ants. Okay, got it clear? HCOOH, formic acid. What is H2S? Hydrogen. Yes, H means hydrogen, S means sulfur. When sulfur will combine with any other thing, it will become sulfide. Which sulfide? Hydrogen sulfide. Simple, very easy. These all are the examples of weak acids. Is it clear? Acetic acid, carbonic acid, hydrocyanic acid, formic acid, hydrogen sulfide. Fine. Now, some strong bases we will see, students. Strong bases. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. OH means hydroxide. Na means sodium hydroxide. OH, hydroxide. K means potassium hydroxide. OH, hydroxide. Mg, magnesium hydroxide. These all are strong bases, students. Cu, copper, OH hydroxide, copper hydroxide, CuOH2, MgOH2, CaOH2, and this is NaOH. You have to fix in your mind, you have to by heart. What is CuOH2? Copper hydroxide. Copper hydroxide formula is CuOH2. What is magnesium hydroxide? MgOH2. What is calcium hydroxide? CaOH2. These all are strong bases. Okay, fine. Next. Sorry. Strong bases are only two I have written here. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide. These all are strong bases and these all are weak bases, students. NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, copper hydroxide. These all are weak bases. These two are strong bases. Sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, strong bases, and these all are weak bases. Sorry for because of confusion I have told you like that. No problem, no issues. So weak bases are, these are the examples. Got it? Clear? What we have seen: strong acids, weak acids, strong bases, weak bases. Examples we have seen. Now let's see here, if we add strong acid and weak base, acid, base, salt, water, same thing will be there. Acid plus base, salt plus water will form. But when we add strong acid, and weak base, salt will form, but it is acidic salt, students, because strong acid is there. So salt will form acidic salt. So the base is weak now, it is what, suppressed or depressed. Acid, this acid content will show in salt. Strong acid, weak base, salt is acidic salt plus water. pH is below 7, students. So roughly I will tell you about pH scale. In detail we are going to study about afterwards. 0 to 14 is a pH scale, range of pH scale. What is pH? Potential of hydrogen. Hydrogen is more, acid. Hydrogen is less, base. Okay, pH, potential of hydrogen. 0 to 6 is acid, students. 0 to 6 is acid. 7 is neutral. What is 7? Neutral, neither acid nor base. Is it clear? 0 to 6 is acid, 7 is neutral, and 8 to 14 is base. So here, strong acid plus weak base, salt is acidic. Okay, because strong acid, acidic salt plus water. What is the pH? Below 7. Below 7 means what I have told you. 0 to 6 acid. It is acid, students. Clear? Salt is acidic salt. Next, weak acid we are taking. Acid is weak, base is strong. Base is strong. Acid is weak, base is strong. Salt will be basic in basic, it is basic salt. Means it is above 8, above 7 it should be. What? pH. See, pH above 7 it is. Above 7 means what? 8 to 14. What is B? B means base. So plus water. Weak acid, strong base, basic salt plus water. Simple is there, easy is there. Strong acid, strong base, both are strong now. Both are strong. The salt will be neutral. Neither 0 to 6, below 7, nor 8 to 14, that is above 7. pH is always equal in this form. Strong acid, strong base, neutral salt, salt plus water. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Strong acid plus strong base, salt will be neutral plus water. Fine. Next, weak acid. Weak acid, weak base, both are weak. So salt will also be neutral and the water will form, pH will be 7. We are drinking water, students. Water pH should be 7, neutral. Then it is good for our health. Alkaline water is also very good. Above 7, little bit it is very good. But normal water what we drink is pH will be 7. Our blood is there in our body. Blood pH is 7, students. Neutral it is. If in blood acidic level will increase, so it is dangerous for our body. Blood do not have to become acidic. That is below 7. It should be 7, our blood. Clear? Fine. So now reaction of metallic oxides with acids. What we are going to see? Reaction of acids with what? Metallic oxides. Sir, what do you mean by metallic oxides? When metal is combined with oxygen, metallic oxide, simple. See here, CaO. What is Ca? Calcium. It is a metal. Combining with oxygen, calcium oxide, metallic oxide. Clear? Easy? So let us say one by one some examples for better understanding students. It will become very easy for you people. So the next topic is reaction of metallic oxides with acids. So metallic oxides are basic in nature. What they are telling? Metallic oxides are generally basic in nature. Basic means what pH I have told you? Above 7. Above 7, 8 to 14. It comes under the range of 8 to 14. Base. So which are basic in nature, students? Metallic oxides. These are going to react with acid. What will form? See, acid plus base, salt plus water. Okay. CaO is base. HCl is acid. So metallic oxides all are bases and they are reacting with acids. What will form? Salt plus water. Salt plus water. Is it clear? Easy, very easy. See, these metallic oxides are basic in nature. Base, acid. What will form? Salt plus water. Salt plus water. Is it clear? Few examples we are going to see now. CaO, calcium oxide, metallic oxide. We are reacting with HCl, hydrochloric acid. So which salt will form? Just see here. This Ca will combine with this Cl. Chlorine and calcium both are combining, students. So what will form? CaCl2 will form. What is CaCl2? Calcium chloride. What is calcium chloride? It is a salt. And what is forming? Water. Water is forming. Okay, fine, clear, easy. Got it? Understood? समझ में आ रहा है? अर्थ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಗತ್ತದ್ರಿ? Okay. So what is this? Calcium oxide combining with acid. So calcium is combining with chlorine, calcium chloride, CaCl2. So what? And also water will form because base plus acid, salt plus water. Base plus acid, salt plus water. Metallic oxide, CaO, acid HCl, salt CaCl2, water. Next, CuO. What do you mean by CuO? Yes, a few students have joined here. So said hi students. Thanks for your valuable comments and 4 likes are there here. So thank you so much for your appreciation, students. Let's continue today's topic. Okay, fine. Cu means copper. O means oxygen. When oxygen combines with copper, it will become copper oxide. So it is black in color, students, copper oxide. So this copper oxide will combine with HCl, hydrochloric acid. What happens? This chlorine is there, na? It will combine with this Cu. So what happens? CuCl2 will form, copper chloride, and water will form. So copper chloride is generally blue-green color. So which color it is? Blue-green color. Before metallic oxide, CuO, which color it was? Black color. When it combined with acid, blue-green color happened. Means what happened there? Salt formed. Which salt? Copper chloride. Simple, easy. Copper oxide combining with hydrochloric acid, copper chloride and water. Metallic oxide, acid, salt plus water. Clear? Easy? Fine. So next, Na2O, Na sodium, O oxygen, sodium oxide. It is metallic oxide. Metallic oxide is reacting with acid. So Na and Cl will combine, students. Na and Cl, NaCl will form. Sodium chloride will form. Common salt will form. And water will form. Why water and this one is forming? Because see here, metallic oxide plus acid, salt plus water. Metallic oxide plus acid, salt plus water. Sodium oxide plus hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride plus water. Fine. Next, CuO. Cu copper, O oxygen, copper oxide. Metallic oxide. Metallic oxide is combining with acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So this copper is there now, Cu is there now, will combine with SO4, students. This Cu will combine with SO4, CuSO4. Salt is forming. Which salt is forming? Copper sulfate. SO4 sulfate, remember sulfate, SO4. Cu copper, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. What is copper sulfate? CuSO4. It is a salt. And what will form? Water. Water is formed. Clear? Easy? Yes. Are you getting, students? Are you understanding? If you are not understanding, please ask a question, raise your hand, okay, and please comment in the comment section. If you are understanding, then also please comment. If you are not understanding, then also you comment. And also comment your name, students, and place also. Just I want to know from which place you people are observing my live session, and what is your name and what is your, from which place you are going to observing. Okay, clear? Fine. So waiting for your comment, students. Let's continue here. Pb. Pb means what? Lead. O oxygen, lead oxide. So lead oxide. What is lead oxide or PbO? It is a metallic oxide. Lead is a metal. O is oxygen. Metallic oxide. Lead oxide. It is combining with HNO3. H2SO4, HCl we have seen. What is HNO3? Nitric acid. See, just now wherever we have seen HNO3, yes, strong acidity, strong acid. PbO, lead oxide, basic in nature, base plus acid, salt plus water. Which salt is forming? Okay, this Pb lead is combining with NO3. PbNO3 twice. This is a fixed formula, students. Lead nitrate fixed formula, PbNO3 twice. You by heart it. These numbers will change. These numbers will change, but this formula will not change. CuCl2, NaCl, CuSO4, PbNO3 twice. What is PbNO3 twice? Lead nitrate, NO3 means nitrate, SO4 means sulfate, CO3 means carbonate, SO4 means sulfate. Fine. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice. Salt plus water. Metallic oxide plus acid, salt plus water. Which metallic oxide? Lead oxide plus which acid? Nitric acid, salt, lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice plus water, H2. Fine. You practice, students. If you practice, it will become very easy. One reaction, 5 times you write it. Write the names below. When you are practicing PbO, simply don't write it. Below you write what? Lead oxide. HNO3, 2HNO3 you are writing. Nitric acid you write it. Arrow mark. PbNO3 twice. Lead nitrate plus water. First you write the reaction. Below you write the names. Write 5 times. Repeat 5 times. What? By writing you have to read louder. जोर से बोलते 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 5 बार लिखना है. 5 बार में लिखने के बाद भी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, 10 बार लिखो. प्रैक्टिस 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 until it will come to you people. 10 बार लिखे, पढ़े, सर में बैठ जाएगा. जाता ही नहीं, वो फिक्स हो जाएगा. ओके फाइन, लेट्स कंटिन्यू स्टूडेंट्स. Now reaction of acids with metal sulfides. Actually, I will tell you afterwards. Okay, no problem. Reaction of acids with metal sulfides. मेटल सल्फाइड मतलब क्या है सर? मेटल सल्फर के साथ मिल गया तो मेटल सल्फाइड. सिंपल है, इजी है. When metal combines with sulfur. So what is sulfur, sir? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Atomic number 16 is the sulfur atomic number. It is an element. When sulfur will combines with any metal, metallic sulfide or metal sulfide. Okay. So what is the formula? Metal sulfide plus acid. So reaction of acid with metal sulfide. Metal sulfide, acid, when they combine, salt plus hydrogen sulfide will form. What will form? Salt will form and hydrogen sulfide. Here salt plus water. Here salt plus hydrogen sulfide. When metal sulfide is combining with acid, reacting with acid, metal sulfide. So metal sulfide plus acid, salt plus hydrogen sulfide. Fix in your mind. This one you 10 times you repeat in your mind. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Next, acid plus metallic oxide, salt plus water. Acid plus metallic sulfide, salt plus hydrogen sulfide. Only here it is changing. Remaining all are same. Fine. So one example for metal sulfide is FeS. What is FeS? Fe sulfur, iron. S sulfur. So ferrous sulfide. What it is? Ferrous sulfide. IDE is there last. Remember. Ferrous sulfide. When it is reacting with acid, H2SO4. Ferrous sulfate. What it is? Ferrous sulfate. Sulfate is there. PHATE. PHIDE. Sulfide, sulfate. See, this SO4 will combine with iron. Fe. Ferrous sulfate. And see, H2 is there, S is there. It is combining H2S. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Formula of hydrogen sulfide is H2S. Is it clear? Once again I am going to tell you, don't worry students here. FeS means iron ferrous sulfide. Ferrous sulfide when it is combining with acid. What is ferrous sulfide? Metal sulfide it is. Iron is a metal. Metal combining with sulfur, sulfide, metal sulfide. It is reacting with acid H2SO4. Salt will form. Which salt will form? FeSO4. What is FeSO4? Ferrous sulfate plus hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide H2S. Fine. So next one is zinc sulfide. So students, in our relation is a house opening ceremony is there. So today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday I am not going to take class. Already you know, Monday to Saturday I am going to take class. But tomorrow, Saturday and Monday there will be no online class. Got it? Clear? So tomorrow, Saturday and Monday. So just you read and don't waste your time, students. So Tuesday I am going to your class, online class, 7:30 p.m. Okay. So students, what is Zn? Zinc. Yes, sulfur. Zinc sulfide. What is zinc sulfide? Zns. It is a metal sulfide. When it is combining with acid, which acid? H2SO4, sulfuric acid. This Zn is there, na? It will combine with SO4. Zn is combining with SO4, ZnSO4, salt. Which salt? Zinc sulfate. And remaining hydrogen sulfide will form H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Metal sulfide, acid, salt plus hydrogen sulfide. Which metal, metallic sulfide or metal sulfide? Zns, zinc sulfide. Which acid? Sulfuric acid. So what happens? Salt is forming ZnSO4, zinc sulfate, sulfate, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen sulfide. Got it clear? Understood, students, everybody? Thank you so much for watching my class, and have a wonderful weekend and enjoy and learn. So all the best for your future. Keep watching, keep learning, students. Until then, take care. Bye bye, students.